So today I'm going to go through this trade that I took today, and it's gold. I'm going to show you how I trade fakeouts and some reasons why fakeouts happen, and yeah, I'm just going to review this and tell you all the details I look at before taking it. So first thing is that you go and you see where your support or your resistance level is. So what happened here is that price came down, made first it made a breakout here, made a retest, then went all the way down, then came back and closed back in the range. First, let's go back and see what we have on the left. So we have all these rejections that tell us we have a very strong zone. Why? Because you can see how many times price got rejected from these levels. So you can see that this is a strong zone. First, it came down from this retest, then got rejected from here and came close back in the range. So what we do in this case is after this breakout or after this candle closed back in the range, we immediately know that we have a breakout. So after this candle closed back in the range, what usually happens is we get a retest. So once the breakout happens, we wait for that retest when we enter. So once we enter on the retest, I always expect price to continue up. Why? Because market moves only in two directions. So if it couldn't go down, it's going to go up. And our confirmation for the fake out is this candle that broke up, and this one made the retest, and we're ready to go. Also, if you switch on the 4 hour, you can see that the 4 hour got rejected all the way up and closed above the zone. So on the 1 hour, you had a lot more explanations, because the 1 hour closed above this zone, the 4 hour also closed above, and you had this retest, which gives us the opportunity to enter longs. So why did this fake out happen? Because basically we need a reason why this fake out happens. You can see where price rejected here. You go on the left, you see also this. You go on the left, you see also this. Now we can zoom out a bit and see all these rejections that happened here from down here and up. So all these rejections happen from they all hit this trend line. What is this telling you? This tells you that we're still bullish on gold. So unless we break the trend, we don't look for sells. Maybe we look for sells, but the range should be good. And for example, if price would go here to touch this without making a retest, then come for a retest, I wouldn't take that, because I can see that we already rejected a lot of time from this. So the same thing can happen because market always does the same thing. So first thing is that gold is in a bullish run. So we have to look how to jump in with the trend. Now that's one of the big reasons why this fake out happened. And the only or the most important thing is why people lose a lot of trades, because they don't follow the trend. They go against the trend. They try to close bottoms and tops, and these are very dangerous trades. So what we always do is we just wait for this for any candle to close back in the range, a retest, and that's what we need for continuation to the upside. So just keep that in mind when you trade break and retest. For example, look if price hit a zone or a bigger zone than the zone that it broke. So there are a lot of times when a break and retest doesn't work just because before coming for a retest, it went to another big zone, just like this, for example, here. And then uh, when price hits a bigger zone than when you are planning to take sells, that means that's going to be a higher chance that price is going to continue still in that way because you are trading against the trend here. And the trend on gold is still bullish. So yeah, this is some of the things that you have to look at when taking a break and retest or when you take a fake out. Fake outs are very good because you can turn them into a win and you can turn them very easily, just like this example that I gave to you.